I have already earned $1,400 on this site, and many other users receive their profit every minute. In short, there are many different games here, and just playing this game you can earn $6. Playing this game you can earn $13, and playing this app you can earn as much as $37. So just playing this game I earn $100 a day, and they can easily be withdrawn to PayPal or crypto. You will not find a better way to earn money online. And now I will show you how to earn money in exactly the same way. I will give you the link to the site a little bit later, but first you will need to click on the register button, and here enter your nickname, password and add your email address. After that you need to click register, but I already have an account, that's why I just log in. As you can see, there is my profile, I have here earnings, and I have $1,400 on my balance. Everything is very simple, and now we can start playing games and earn money. If anything, here you can immediately choose on which device you want to play. So if you don't have a laptop or you have an Android, this is not a problem. But to show you that everything works, I will use a computer. As you can see here, you will earn a little money. Therefore, I advise you to immediately select all the games. And most importantly, select the games that pay the most money. And here we can earn more than $30 for each game. But it's also very important. For example, in this game to earn $33 you need to make deposit of $30. This doesn't suit us and we choose the next game. Here we have no conditions, and for completing the game we will receive $36 in total. But you don't need to play this game if you don't like it. You can choose any other games that you want to play and earn $36. Also below you can complete quick quests like subscribe to Instagram or Facebook and quickly get your first money. Now I will play games for a couple of hours on my phone and see how much I was able to earn. It's not difficult at all, and if you are bored you can turn on a movie in the background. Well, after 2 hours I earned another $50 on my balance. And the most important thing, after you earned money you need to click on this cash out button and then choose any convenient withdrawal method. It's most convenient for me to withdraw to crypto, but if you have PayPal you can easily use this method. Just insert your email address here, enter how much you want to withdraw, this is about $1,000, and then you need to click withdraw, but I don't have PayPal, so I will withdraw my money by cryptocurrency. Subscribe to my channel so as not to miss new ways to earn money.